This is episode 3. Kimberly's birthday, okay? Ryan is shouting out to Kimberly. Enjoy the show, but he cannot go to shout out because his parents do not let him. I mean his parents. You're not going to the party. How about you know? Yeah, I heard about it. Duh. From where? One of your friends told you. Told me. Who's my friend who told you? Jessica. Who the heck is Jessica? Jessica, come out! Come over here, Jessica. Now, you told me about the party, right? Yes, yes. Okay, go to your room this instant. Not you, Jessica. Just go have fun at the party. Let's go party. Let's go party. You go have fun at your Yeah, let's have service. Yeah. So you said wake up on this. You said what? Then what? Then we'll sleep again. Oh, he's still in his room. Good job. Spaghetti! Woo, yeah! He's legit. It's a party! Let's see what's inside. Let's go to the bathroom. Oh my gosh, he was making out with Jessica. What a coincidence! Oh.